I have a meeting at 10 a.m. I have a meeting at 10 a.m. Please send me the report. Please send me the report. I'll check and get back to you. I'll check and get back to you. Can you help me with this task? Can you help me with this task? Let's discuss it later. Let's discuss it later. I'm working on it. I'm working on it. The deadline is tomorrow. The deadline is tomorrow. I'll finish it soon. I'll finish it soon. Can we have a quick meeting? Can we have a quick meeting? Please share the details. Please share the details. I'll update you soon. I'll update you soon. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. I'm a bit busy right now. I'm a bit busy right now. Let's take a short break. Let's take a short break. I'll send the email today. I'll send the email today. Could you please check this? Could you please check this? The meeting went well. The meeting went well. Let's plan for tomorrow. Let's plan for tomorrow. Please print this document. Please print this document. I'll join the call soon. I'll join the call soon. What's the status of the project? What's the status of the project? Let's review the report. Let's review the report. I'll prepare the presentation. I'll prepare the presentation. Please correct the mistake. Please correct the mistake. I'll send you the file. I'll send you the file. Can we reschedule the meeting? Can we reschedule the meeting? I'll call you back. I'll call you back. Please update the data. Please update the data. I'm waiting for your response. I'm waiting for your response. Let's start the project today. Let's start the project today. I'll inform the manager. I'll inform the manager. Can you sign this document? Can you sign this document? I'll complete it by evening. I'll complete it by evening. Please join the meeting room. Please join the meeting room. Let's finalize the plan. Let's finalize the plan. I'm on a break. I'm on a break. Please check your inbox. Please check your inbox. I'll update the system. I'll update the system. The project is delayed. The project is delayed. We need more time. We need more time. Please be on time. Please be on time. I'll fix the problem. I'll fix the problem. Let's celebrate our success. Let's celebrate our success. Can I leave early today? Can I leave early today? Please attend the meeting. Please attend the meeting. I'll handle it. I'll handle it. The report looks good. The report looks good. Let's work together. Let's work together. Please wait for a moment. Please wait for a moment. I'll call the client. I'll call the client. Can you send me the file? Can you send me the file? I'm checking the schedule. I'm checking the schedule. Please approve this request. Please approve this request. I'll note it down. I'll note it down. Let's begin the presentation. Let's begin the presentation. Please keep it confidential. Please keep it confidential. I'll double check everything. I'll double check everything. The system is not working. The system is not working. I'll restart the computer. I'll restart the computer. Can I take a day off? Can I take a day off? Please connect me to HR. Please connect me to HR. I'm updating the document. I'm updating the document. Let's have lunch together. Let's have lunch together. I'll join you in a minute. I'll join you in a minute. Please wait for my reply. Please wait for my reply. I'm preparing the file. I'm preparing the file. Can you share your feedback? Can you share your feedback? I'll improve it next time. I'll improve it next time. Let's set a reminder. Let's set a reminder. Please close the window. Please close the window. I'll send the invoice. I'll send the invoice. Let's check the progress. Let's check the progress. Please submit the report. Please submit the report. I'll attend the training. I'll attend the training. Can we talk now? Can we talk now? Please arrange the files. Please arrange the files. I'll contact the supplier. I'll contact the supplier. The project is approved. The project is approved. Let's update the list. Let's update the list. I'll create a new folder. I'll create a new folder. Please send me the link. Please send me the link. I'm downloading the document. I'm downloading the document. Let's go for a coffee. Let's go for a coffee. I'll call you later. I'll call you later. Please wait for confirmation. Please wait for confirmation. I'll join the next meeting. I'll join the next meeting. Can you handle this issue? Can you handle this issue? Let's review it tomorrow. Let's review it tomorrow. Please check again. Please check again. I'll fix it immediately. I'll fix it immediately. The file is ready. The file is ready. Please print 2 copies. Please print 2 copies. I'll talk to the manager. I'll talk to the manager. Let's finish the task. Let's finish the task. Please keep me updated. Please keep me updated. I'll send you the summary. I'll send you the summary. Can we meet now? Can we meet now? Please forward the message. Please forward the message. I'll prepare the report. I'll prepare the report. Great job, everyone. Great job, everyone.